Alright, coming in from Red Rock Canyon today for Tevis's birthday. We're gonna hike the Bearclaw Spire, aka White Pinnacle Peak. I'm gonna turn this around to see if we can see it. Based on what I've seen online and looking at it right here in front of me, it seems quite intimidating, but I'm pretty excited to see what the view is going to look like up top. So I'll record some up there too. So now that we're in a little bit closer to the mountain, you can actually see it a little better. That little pointy thing right there. We're going to continue going through the trail, cross over, and then go up that little dark line that you see right there up to the point. So we're starting our initial ascent. See, we're a lot closer to the mountain. We just came up. That right there. You can see we got a pretty good view. But one thing we have to watch out for, something you've probably never heard of, is Indian marbles. So you can see them on the rock. They stuck there. Got them right there. That is just a different type of rock and these other rocks, and as the rest of that other rock erodes, you get Indian marbles all over the ground. You gotta watch out for going to this steep hill. Let's push this left.
About to go across that.
Down there. I just came up there, and we got way up there to go. You can see the view. So we're pretty high. That came quite a long way. A little exhausting. Got our legs burning, but a little bit more, and then we get to enjoy the view. We've come to another difficult part in the trail where it's so steep that someone has tied off a rope. That we're not going to use because we don't know who tied it off or how well they tied it off. Let's see. Another interesting point in our climb. I'm at a crack right now. My goal is to climb up there using this rope. That's okay, yeah, it's not ripped, that's the knot. Cool. As you see, Tevis is starting to down climb a little bit. We got to a really close spot. Let's see. We are literally right at the top. But then you have this part right here that you'd have to climb. And all that is open. So without a rope, without a harness, we are a little bit sketched out, and we feel like we are high enough, we got a good enough view. We'd rather stay safe, so we're gonna start down climb. So see you at your bottom. So throughout this entire climb, we've been very fortunate in the fact that we wore pants, both of us, because we've had to squeeze our bodies through cracks and slide on rocks and all sorts of stuff, and our knees are bruised, my hands and arms are all scratched up. I feel like our bodies have been beaten to death. So it's cool, it keeps us young. Down on flat ground. We came from that little fall thing right there, hence the name. And we went over about 3,000 feet in elevation, change, up and down. Now we're back on sandy ground. So we get about 30 minutes back to the car on that trail that I showed y'all earlier from the mountain. But we're down here, we're safe, we're hiking a little faster, and we'll eat a lot of really good food when we get back home. So excited for that. As you see, it is 5:42. Back at the car now, so I want to show you where we just came. You can barely see it because the sun's a little bright, peeking out, but it was a fun hike, really long. It was at like about 7.5 hours we were going.